So here we're going to start with 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of oil, a pinch of salt, and 1 cup of water. So we put in the oil, a pinch of salt, and then we're going to pour some water. We're not going to put all the water, we're going to put a little bit and see if we need the rest. Just like that. And then we start with our hands. We're getting messy here. So we're going to add the whole water in. I guess I needed more, okay. And we're going to start mixing and creating a dough, just like you. So this is how we still have to work on it, but you just move it around, hit it. So the dough is going to look like that. We're not done yet. We're just going to put a little 1 teaspoon of oil and start working on it. So you shape it as a ball, and that's the first part. We're done the first part. Now we're going to break it into pieces. So here we're going to have 5 balls. So we're going to make 5 of them. So we have the ball. We're going to press it. And we're going to have a rolling pin. And we're going to roll it out. That's how we're going to start it. So we're going to roll it. And we're going to make it bigger. Until you make it bigger, that's the second step. Half a teaspoon of oil, and just use your 2 fingers and rub it all around. We're gonna fold it both sides, and then down and up and press it, and that's how you want it. So we repeat it. So I did all of the 5, and then we start with the next step. So we're just gonna press it. This is the first one. And then roll it out in a square shape, so it'll just go up and down. So then we flip it to make it a square. We want a square. It's not going to be perfect, but we just want a square. Voila. This is how it's going to look. So now it's time to put it on the pan. I'm going to put a little bit of oil, not too much. Let it warm up. I already turned it on. You put it on the pan like that, and then we're going to wait a couple minutes and flip it. Don't put it too high because it would burn. So now, I'm going to flip it. I just keep on flipping and let it cook. So just like that, it's cooked, both sides. So we did all 5 like that, and now we're gonna do the second step, which is 4 eggs, a pinch of salt, 1 small onion, half a green pepper, half a tomato, and 2 chili pepper. We're gonna whisk it away, and then we're gonna get our pan ready, and again a little bit of oil will go on. We're gonna put, it looks like 2 tablespoons of oil. We're going to pour a bit of the egg. This is going to be for 1, so we don't want to pour too much. So we put that on top and just move it around so the eggs move around. So we left it for like about 2 minutes, and now we're going to flip it. Be careful, and that's how it's supposed to look. This is the second one I made. I added a little bit more of the egg. And if you like egg, you just add more. We're gonna roll the 2 ends, and then you eat it just like that. Voila!